Okay. So that right there is called the Londoner. And you can see a lot of construction, and they're doing a lot of work there too. You see a lot of little things happening. It's fully developed too. So we're gonna show you a little bit more about this Cotai Strip, and then we're gonna walk over to the other side so you can see that side. Then we're gonna walk and show you the inside of the Londoner as well. Lots of new changes since last time I was here filming. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's our Londoner. You see lots of construction, so there's some cranes over there. Looks like they're building maybe a Big Ben right there. That's what I think it's going to be. Looks like the same shape. I think it's called Big Ben, right? That's the Grand Thai, I believe. It's like a apartment. You can buy or rent apartments from there. Got a Venetian casino directly across from you. And then you got the shops. Those are the Four Seasons shops right up there. Parisian. We're going to walk on the other side in a minute, and then we'll show you the Londoner from that side. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of construction, so it looks like they're building a little park and everything out here. So let's go to the other side. And we're going to just kind of show you some of the stuff inside here too. Like the Londoner right there. Then we're going to walk down that way in a second, but we're going to go out for the moment. And over here you can see the Four Seasons. And it's all this construction over on that side. It's a little bit hard to see, but you can basically see this, all that scaffolding over there. And also you can see the Parisian, Studio City's way down there, Cotai Strip. Yeah, a lot of construction. So we'll see what it all looks like later. Okay, so this is all this construction. They're just doing a massive amount. So I don't know, they're going to use up probably all that space, which is going to be kind of cool. They're ripping up some of that black and white tile sidewalk that was there. It's matched on that side as well. So we'll see what happens. They're going to probably do something kind of cool. Doing a lot of construction in here. Looks like there's some parking garage structure in there as well. So we'll see what's going to happen. See if we look on the other side as well. We'll just kind of take a look here. This part looks like it's more developed. I mean, constructed now. Yeah, it looks real nice. Looks like they are building like a little Big Ben right there as well. So let's go inside. Londoner, welcome. Every time I film in here, it looks a little bit different. So this is what it looks like today. It'd be nice when we can walk outside and I can show you what it looks like. It's being changed quite a bit. What used to be the sands. I don't know if I have any. Probably do. Probably have some videos of the sands from before. Maybe. I think I started the channel about 2 years ago. So okay. We're just getting more. And we're also checking to see like the COVID situation. Oh, that music is loud though. Dang. The loud music will often affect my video. Oh, dang. That looks nice. Okay, that looks like it's a little bit different. That music is too loud though. When you're doing YouTube videos, a lot of times they don't let you play your video if there's copyright issues. Here's Shake Shack. So actually, part of the point of this one was just to kind of show you a little bit of what it looked like. So okay, maybe we'll just pause right there. Wait till the music goes away a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm just going to give up on the music. The music is so loud. I don't know if that's going to be the policy or not. But that straight down there is Venetian and Parisian. Oh, that music is so loud. There's a yoga shop. Oh man, that music. That's going to kill my video. Okay, I'm starting to get out of it a little bit. Have to talk over it so that the video camera doesn't think I'm just recording copyright music to play. Winston Churchill, I think. Got lots of cool stuff like that in here. Wow, the Shake Shack used to be this crazy packed with people, and now there's very few. I don't know if it's because of the COVID or something else, but I'll just kind of give you a quick rundown. On Monday there was 4 cases of COVID, and then it affected the city, where we had 72 hours where everybody in the whole city had to do a nucleic acid test. And okay, I think you could go down there and see more things, but so I am seeing less people around in here, and there's too much good music. Now I got Rolling Stones playing. But anyways, you got a little bit of a taste of Venetian. You got to see a little bit of the new construction going on outside. You got to see there's still some people around, and I don't know, the music is a little too loud to film, so maybe we'll just try to go a little bit further, then we're probably going to end this video, but we'll just let you see what you can see in the meantime. So yeah, Blue Moon is a good yoga shop. So okay, yeah, that music is too loud. It does look pretty cool in here though. It's actually becoming one of the more popular places because it has it's probably the only one of the few casinos in all of Macau that actually has a few Western restaurants. They have the Shake Shack, which we were just at, is one of them. And then we also have Cheesecake Factory. So there's 2, and usually there's none. You don't even have a pizza places in any of these casinos. None of them have a slice of pizza even. So just having that Shake Shack, having a burger place, and having a Cheesecake Factory, you know, those are 2. So that's actually like it's probably the most international casino in Macau by far. Not even close. I don't think the other ones have anything that's not. You know, usually they'll have like mostly Chinese, Singapore, Taiwan foods, Macanese foods, and then you'll see some Japanese, maybe a Korean restaurant, Japanese, Thai, Vietnamese, like basic stuff like that. But to get an actual foreign one is unbelievable actually. But yeah, Londoner has that, so it's going to be one of the big advantages of that casino. If they keep trying to go for that non-Chinese market, they could really capitalize on that quickly, because there's really nobody else in Macau doing that. So I hope they do. I think they got Londoner name. They also got a bar called Churchill's as well. So I think that also has Western food too. I think good one, good stuff. So yeah, I don't know, it's pretty interesting. I mean, there's other Western food in other places too, but I think they're, you know, usually really high end with a really high-end chef as well. Anyways, we're heading out of Londoner. We're going towards Venetian right now, and we're going to be closing this video, but you see got a little touch of Londoner, and we'll end it right there.